Hello student, today I am going to teach you about electric dipole. Here your first unit electrostatic. Electric dipole is a very important topic for examination, UP board and competition also. Electric dipole is a system in which two equal and opposite charges are placed at a very small distance. Two equal and opposite charges are placed at a very small distance. Then this system is called electric dipole. Clear? Here let minus q and plus q are taken as two equal and opposite charges which make a dipole. Let AB and the distance between two charges is 2L. So from here you can find electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment is the product of one charge and the distance between two charges and is denoted by P. Since here AB is taken as a dipole and minus q and plus q are the charges, distance between charges is 2L. So electric dipole moment Q is equal to Q into 2L. Unit of P is Coulomb meter and dimension of electric dipole moment P is LTA, for length L and for Q AT. For some examples are electric dipole HCl, H2O, etc. Now electric dipole moment. After that, here is the application of electric dipole. By electric dipole, we can find electric intensity in two positions. First, end-on position, or second, broad side on position. End-on position means in x-axis and broadside on position means in y-axis. In other words, we can say end-on position is horizontal and broadside on position is vertical. Electric intensity due to an electric dipole in the axis of dipole. In other words, end on position. We have to derive an expression for electric intensity due to an electric dipole in the axis of dipole, and this derivation come in UP board for long type of question. Derive the electric intensity formula for electric dipole in end-on position. For this, suppose two charges minus q and plus q make a dipole AB and the distance between them is 2L. Let from the midpoint of AB a point P is at a distance R in the end-on position. So we have to calculate electric intensity at point P. For this, first of all, electric field intensity E1 due to plus Q charge at point P 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q upon the distance of P from R minus L whole square. Since this distance is L and this is, and E2 due to charge plus Q due to charge minus Q at point P 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q upon, now here the distance of P from minus Q, R plus L whole square. Since E1 and E2 are vector quantity and the direction of E1 is outward and E2 is inward. For positive charges, the direction of E1 is outward and for negative charges inward. So the total electric intensity at point P is equal to E1 minus E2. On substituting these values, 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R minus L square, 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R plus L square. From here, Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught is taken common. On solving this bracket, we get R plus L whole square, R minus L whole square. So E is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus L square plus 2RL minus R square L square plus 2RL, and here R square minus L square whole square. Two RL, 4RL upon R square minus L square whole square. Since the distance L is very shorter than R, so on neglecting R square, neglecting L square with respect to R square. So from this equation, E is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught 2 Q into 2L upon R to the power 4. 1/4 pi epsilon naught 2P upon R cube Newton per Coulomb.